right, here we are in front of Nepo Mart. We're walking, yeah, we're here in Alaminos City, walking westbound on the main drag. There's our McDonald's, 7-Eleven, tricycle drivers everywhere, and people galore. Go, hon. Not really sure where we're going, but we'll take you along with us. Red ribbon. It's an absolute gorgeous day today, that's for sure. Everybody's out and about. I'm thirsty. I want to find us some water. We should have stopped in at 7-Eleven. Got some Gatorade.
We can find at CSI.
We can even stop by the Sorry store.
Yeah. So we're going to CSI line.
Yeah.
Then there's a bakery over there.
Okay. So I guess we're going to CSI. We got to look for a fan to put in our little galley style kitchen. Gets kind of hot back in there when preparing dinner and whatnot. So anyways, we'll catch up with you once we get there. All right, we made it in CSI and we're gonna look for a fan, but first we had to stop and look for some sports bras, which we succeeded in finding. Show us your sports bra, honey. All right. So she has something to wear when we go to the gym, so she's not hanging everywhere. So next stop, fan for the kitchen. You know, you're gonna pay right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, here we are once again. Had to pay for the sports bras. Now we're off to appliances to see if we can find a fan. And what's the first thing we see? Fans. Oh, that's not bad. Yeah, but where do you want to put that if we buy it?
Put on top of the oven holster.
Maybe.
Because that thing is there.
Maybe. Let's see if they have anything that mounts to the wall. Got a whole bunch of fans. These all mount to the wall. Oh boy. This should be fun. We've got.
Try the small one.
I don't want to bite no. Thought we already talked about it. Thought we were gonna get a wall mount. And it's, wait a minute. How much are they?
930.
Huh?
930.
For this one?
Yeah.
What's that one behind it?
1,199.
Okay, one's a turbo power. one's a whatever. I can't read without my damn glasses, but
5-year warranty on motor. It is
alright, we'll be back with the final verdict, I guess. Okay, we found our fan. Alright, that'll be the fan we get. So we're gonna go ahead and pay for this right now. Is it? Yeah. Does it work?
Like,
Does it work?
yes.
Okay, mission accomplished. Okay, so that pretty much does it. We are homeward bound. We got our fan. And we're leaving CSI and going home. So, anyways, we got everything we need. All we need to do is go get something to drink, get some shorts on. CSI Alaminos. Anyways, we did good. We got everything. So, thanks again for coming along, and we will talk to you soon. All right, later. Bye.